Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the important multiple choice questions of lesson number 3, that is atoms and molecules. So let us start with the first question, which is, according to the Dalton's atomic theory, all matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. So the correct answer is atoms. So in the Dalton's atomic theory, in the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory, we have studied that all the matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Now the next question is, which of the following is incorrect statement for the atoms? Now you have to find out the incorrect statement. Nucleus of an atom is made up of protons and neutrons. This is correct. Atoms are made up of electrons, protons and neutrons. This is also correct. Atoms are very tiny particles. This is also correct. Next is, atoms of different elements have same chemical properties. So this is the incorrect statement. Atoms of different elements have different chemical properties, and the atoms of same elements have same chemical properties. So the correct answer is D part. Atoms of different elements have same chemical properties. This is the incorrect statement. Next question is, calculate the number of moles for the 84 gram of helium. Now we know the formula for number of moles. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass or molecular mass. So the given mass for helium is 84 and the molar mass we know for helium is 4. Now cancel it. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So the correct answer is B part, which is 21. Next question is, what is the full form of IUPAC? So the full form of IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. A part is the correct answer. Now the next question, which of the following is a compound? So out of these, ammonia is the compound. NH3. So this is ammonia, which is a compound, because from the definition of compound we know that compounds are the substances made up of two or more different atoms chemically combined together in a fixed ratio by mass. So the correct answer is B part. Next, question number 6. Which of the following is the chemical formula for sodium chloride? So this is the simple one, NaCl. B part is the correct answer. Next question is, chlorine is a dash element. So we know that chlorine is written like this. Chlorine is a gas and it is written like this, Cl2. So because of this 2, we know that chlorine is a diatomic molecule. So the atomicity for chlorine is diatomic. Next question is question number 8. What is the atomic mass of oxygen? So we know the atomic number for oxygen is 8. So therefore atomic mass of oxygen is double the atomic number, that is 16. So 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. Next question, what is the molecular mass of H2SO4? Now you know how to calculate molecular mass. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all the elements present in a substance. So let us calculate the molecular mass of H2SO4. We know the atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 1. So here 1 multiply by 2, because there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, plus the molecular mass of sulfur is 32 and there is only 1 atom of sulfur, so multiply it by 1, plus the atomic mass of oxygen is 16 and there are 4 atoms of oxygen, so multiply it by 4. Now solve it. 2 plus 32 plus 16 fours are, so 16 fours is 64. Now add all these three. 64 plus 32 plus 2, we get 98. So the correct answer is B part. So the molecular mass of H2SO4 is 98. Next question is, which one of the following is correct about elements? So which of the following statement is correct about elements? So first is, elements consist of one types of atom. This is the correct statement. Elements are smallest part of the substance. This is incorrect, because you know that atoms are the smallest part of a substance. Next is, all the elements are consist of same types of atoms. This is also incorrect, because all the atoms consist of different types of atoms. For example, carbon is an element which consists of carbon atoms. Oxygen is an element which consists of oxygen atoms. So all the elements consist of different types of atoms. So the correct statement about elements is this A part, that is, elements consist of one type of atoms. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to continue with the MCQs of lesson number 3. We are going to see more important multiple choice questions related to the chapter atoms and molecules.